So the first one I'm changing would need importantly is your screwdriver. Batteries, okay? So for the remote starter for this specific one, it's actually CR2450. And for the Nissan Versa Note, it's actually CR2032. But some of the battery, they will call them DL2032. Both will work. Now let's start. So you're going to be using the flat. The space is right there. There's a ridge, right? So all you have to do is twist. Okay. Okay. All right. So it looks like this. And as you see, there's this frame over here, the silver. You're going to need to take that out, because otherwise the battery will not come out. Okay, this is what's stopping the battery from coming out of its shell. So okay, still you see how the battery is lodged on inside. Okay, what you need to do is take out the entire thing. Take out the battery. So you just push it gently. So the positive, as you see, is on top. That's the one that's showing. So it's very easy to recognize the positive, which is the flat, and you see when there's a ridge on the side of the battery is the negative part. Okay, so we're going to take it out. You see the buttons, right? Put it back. And you click that everything is completely sealed. The moment you get it open a little bit, then it should be easy from then on. So you just keep twisting it this way, right? Do not force it all the way, because you're going to break your key. Okay, there you go. This is how it looks like. So you just, and look at it. The positive on this one, it goes this way. For the beginners out there, do not just take out the battery so you're not getting confused. The flat is the plus. The one with the ridge on the side is your negative, right? Same as this button. See this? The ridge, there's a ridge on the side, so it's negative. The positive is the flat, the same way, right? So this one, you put the flat in the bottom. Make sure everything is sealed. Do not forget your key. This key, this is not for the ignition, guys. You can only use this to get into the car. But if your remote control is dead, it has no battery, your push button car is not going to start. Just letting you know. Okay? So you just put it back in, and voila, you're done. So I hope that helps. So see you on next DIY. Please follow and subscribe. Bye.